Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the brioche stitch. And I'm going to be using this yarn, and it's a 5 bulky yarn, 100% milk cotton, and it is the Christine Omdel's Be So Easy yarn. And yeah, and it's recommending a crochet hook. Where are you? 6.5 millimeter crochet hook for crocheting, and for knitting 6.5 crochet hook. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be chaining a couple of chains, and then what we're going to do is, I did a sample here. I know it's really hard for you to see. Crochet the brioche stitch. So I'm just going to frog this because yeah, and I'm thinking, should I use a different color? But yeah, let's so I just worked on a little bit, and what I did is I didn't even count my chains. And what I'm going to do is, after chaining, you need to crochet 1 row of single crochet, and that's all you need to do. And after crocheting that 1 row, we're going to start the crochet brioche stitch. Okay, so here is my single crochet. Okay, I'm right there. Okay, so I have my 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I chained one chain, and I turned my work, and then I am going to start the chain. To start the stitch, what I need to do is I need to grab it from the back loop and make a single crochet, and then the next stitch is I'm going to come right in between here in the middle, and I'm going to do a knit stitch. Okay, and then here I'm going to grab it from the back and then make a single crochet, and then right here I'm going to go in the between and make a knit stitch. Okay, just like this. And this is how it will look like. Grab it from the back, make a single crochet, and come here right here, then poke your crochet hook in the middle, and then make a knit stitch. Sometimes it's difficult. Okay, and then go in the back, the next one, and poke your crochet hook. Okay, and the next one from the back. Oops. Okay, where are we? So I'm right here. I made my single crochet, and I'm going to come right here, poke my crochet hook, and I am right in the middle. Pull it, and then make a single crochet on the next one. Grab it from the back, right in the middle of that single crochet, and then make a knit stitch. Sometimes it's tough. You can use a smaller crochet hook if you want. Knit stitch from the back, and then the last one I just grab it, the 2 loops, and then I make a single crochet, chain my work, chain 1 chain, and then turn my work. Okay, so here I'm going to repeat what I did. I didn't even count how many chains I need, so this is just perfect. This is how it looks like. So right here is that knit stitch. I need to go from the back, and grab it like this. Okay, to do that, before I do that, I need to, so this is the wrong side of the work. I'm going to grab it from not the back loop but the front loop this time. Okay, make a single crochet, and then right here where that knit stitch is, So I'm going to poke it and then go in the back and then make a knit stitch. Instead of from the how we did it on the front, I'm not going to grab it from the front. I'm going to grab it from the I'm sorry, not from the back, but I'm going to grab it from the front and then make a single crochet. Okay, and here is my knit stitch. Just poke my crochet hook. The back is a little bit difficult. Yeah, it is, especially for new beginners. Okay, front loop, and then I go between, but it has to come right in here, in that between that knit stitch. You see, right in between, and then make a single crochet. Okay, from the front, where I make a single crochet. Just watch what you're doing, then grab it from the front, the next single crochet. Okay, right in the middle, and then make a knit stitch. See, this is how it looks like so far. The front and the wrong side of the work will look a little bit different. From the front. And when we come, grab those two, this is actually one chain that we did when we turned our work. So we need to grab those two so we can have a nice edge. So it won't do the increase or decreases. It will give you a nice straight edge. Okay, chain one, turn our work. So when we come back on the next row, we will grab these two loops here, this chain. Okay, so this, the front row is super easy. What we do is, we do the same what we did on the first row. So grab it from the back, make a single crochet, and then when you see the knit stitch, just go in between and then make that knit stitch. See how easy it is? It's just the back, the wrong side of the work is a little bit challenging. Try to crochet as loose as you can. Back loop, knit stitch. Back loop, knit stitch. Back loop, knit stitch. Back loop. It's only 2 rows repeat. Actually, it's 1 row, but like I said, it's a little bit challenge. Okay, now I forgot. So try to grab that V, that one chain that we did, and then make a single crochet, chain 1, turn our work. So we're going to repeat. This is how it looks like so far. See the wrong side of the work looks like the lemon peel stitch for me. It looks puzzle, but when you turn your work, see, it looks like the brioche stitch. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to repeat what we did. We're going to do the front post, the front, and then come and grab it from here. See, it's easy to see. Grab it and then make a knit stitch. Okay, again, front, grab the front, and when you hold it this way, it's way easy. Just poke your crochet hook, then pull it. Front, doesn't look good. Here we go. front. Right in that middle. See? Grab that right in that middle, right there. Front. Front post. Well, it's not a front post. It's you're just grabbing the loop from the front. And then grab that V. Chain one and pull it a little bit. And this is going to be the right side of the work. Okay, so grab it from the back when we're doing the front side and try to crochet as loose as you can. If you're a tight crocheter like me, I would highly recommend you to use a bigger crochet hook, bigger size, because I feel that this is a little bit tight. Even I'm trying to crochet as loose as I can. See how it looks? Super easy. It's just the back that you need to be cautious while you're crocheting. Back loop, and then grab that 2V here, chain one, turn your work, and then you just repeat it front. And then if you're confused, I would hold it like this. At least you can see where your crochet hook is going in, right? And then you pull just like this. See how easy it is? Front and go into that middle. Grab it from the middle. I think I made a mistake. Yeah, see? I skipped one. So just be careful not to skip any. So what did we do here? Here it is. That's a knit stitch. Okay. Front. Here we go. I skipped a chain. That's what happened. And then grab that 2 V's, single crochet, chain one, and turn your work. Okay. Okay, so let me show you one more time. This is the front of the work. And then what I do is I grab it from the back. When we're doing the wrong side, we grab it from the front. And then I just go into that V here. And this is all I'm doing. See how easy it is? It creates a different stitch. And I just wanted to share you this stitch, because I know lots of people can't knit. And they're wondering how would it look like. So I think this stitch would be fantastic for scarves and so on. And then don't forget that these two loops, because if you do not do the way I'm showing you, your edges would be Cricut, like it would increase or decrease. See how nice it looks like? So I hope you like this tutorial. You can do crochet this stitch on any yarn that you have in your stash. I just wanted to use this because I really like the color, and I just wanted to share you this new tutorial. And even the like it looks like a knit stitch. This is how I usually cast on when I am knitting, and it looks like the same stitch chain cast on method that I do, and it looks like it's I have knitted this. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them below. I do have another tutorial that I'm working on. It's a little bit difficult. It's not friendly, beginner friendly, but why not challenge yourself? I would highly recommend that stitch as well. And that stitch is like a 3D stitch. So stay tuned for that tutorial, and I will come to show you that stitch. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!